Happy Wednesday to you, everybody. Heat, humidity, and poor air quality are going to be the rule of our forecast here over the next couple days. We've got that heat dome, which is now elongated. It's starting to break down a little bit, but we still are right in the middle of it here today as we got high temperatures that will jump well into the 90s. Look at all the heat alerts. These also are accompanied by air quality alerts in gray there due to these wildfires that are burning up in southern Ontario. Here's a look at your atmospheric smoke. Fires are right here. We've got a northwest flow aloft, so you notice the haze and all that smoke in the atmosphere are going to become more prevalent over the next couple days as that flow turns a little bit more northwesterly. So that means you have the milky white sky, you get some air quality issues down here at the ground, mixing with the ground ozone that we have just due to the heat and the stagnation and car exhaust, stuff like that. Just not great to breathe the air over the next couple days. I hate to say that. Now, in terms of rain, we will have increasing rain chances. Not today, though. Nice and hot today. Tonight, we settle back down into the 70s, so not a ton of relief at night. But then tomorrow, watch how these pop-ups start to dance around. Once we get towards Friday, they'll move east. We'll have more pop-up thunderstorm chances and then a better shot at storms around here on Saturday as our front approaches, bringing in drier air by Sunday.